Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching my YouTube channel Technical World. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Safari if it's not working or not loading any web page even you try on different networks. So without wasting any time, let's get started, and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to check is the internet connection. We just make sure that Wi-Fi is not only connected, also working well. To check that, open any web application like YouTube or WhatsApp and check you have a stable internet connection. If your internet connection is working fine, then we go for some other solutions to fix this issue. Solution number 2, try the force restart. To force restart iPhone, quickly press and release volume up button, quickly press and release volume down button, and press side button until Apple logo appears. And if you're using old iPhone, then press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. Solution number 3, reset network settings. Go to settings, then tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset network settings, put iPhone passcode and tap again reset network settings to confirm your action. Solution number 4, check the latest version of iOS. To check that, launch settings, tap general, tap software update and update your iPhone if any update is available. Number 5, check date and time. Launch settings, then tap general and tap date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled. Number 6, reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized settings to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. To reset all settings on iPhone, first we have to go to settings, then tap general and tap reset. Now tap reset all settings, iPhone passcode required, and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. Finally, we go for solution number 7, clear Safari. For that, first we have to go to settings, scroll, find and tap on Safari. Now scroll again and tap advanced. Now tap on website data and clear website data. Now go back to Safari and tap clear history and website data and tap again clear history and website data to confirm. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.